Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video today to show you a trade in Meta that I took. Didn't go quite as planned. It looks like if we zoom in here a little bit, you can see price was kind of showing some support or possibly showing some support at this low volume area here. You can see it was a point of support in the past, and then it became a point of resistance. So I wasn't sure if this point would hold. It looks like over the last 2 days it did. Today when the CPI data came out, the market kind of fell off pretty heavy and Meta didn't really follow. If I had been monitoring the position early in the day, right about 8:30, 8:40 or so, let's see, we can look at it on a 1 day, 1 minute time frame. You can see price did tail off here right at the beginning, right at the market open. I don't know what kind of price I could have got there. I didn't get in till about 9 o'clock, and you can see price rebounded pretty quickly from there. If I had got in at that point, I could have probably taken a little bit of a profit on this trade. Instead, I did end up with a slight loss. So you can see I bought it for 58 and then I sold it back for 52. So it took a small loss on it. Not great, not what I was hoping for, but it didn't. Price just didn't seem to work with me. And we can look at the trade history here, and you can see I paid 58 to get into it, and then I bought it back, or I sold it back for 52 cents or $52. I was thinking it might test down into the 168 level. If you look at it on the daily chart, I was hoping that price would come down to about 167, which is the expected move this week. I still think it could, but when price tailed off early in the overall market and Facebook or Meta here didn't follow, I felt like that was a good enough point to get out. Price also broke above 180 a couple of times. It doesn't know where it wants to go right now. It seems to be finding some support at this level, and so it just seems like more risk than it's worth for the price not to have moved over the last 2 days in my direction. To hold on to it here, I think would just be too risky, and I would risk losing even more money. So I got out of it today. Again, it could fall down lower, back down to the 167 area is kind of where I'm predicting this may test. If it does want to continue its bullish run. But you can see Facebook has been on a nice rally here throughout 2023. And overall, I think that's probably going to continue to be the trend, at least in the near term. At the moment, I got out of it. I took a small loss, such as options trading, but it does mark the first loss I've had in the Let's Make a Trade series. So I wanted to make sure I got this out there for you. I apologize. I didn't actually make this video a few days ago when I was looking at it on Sunday or Saturday, I believe. But there is another video. I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video so you can see it, that I did a kind of a full breakdown on why I thought this may go a little bit lower. Unfortunately, it didn't actually work out that way, at least not yet. We'll see in the days ahead if it does end up kind of failing here. But I felt like now was the right time to get out. So I wanted to post this for you, but I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. God bless and take care.